Hi everyone, welcome to this Monkey 47 Masterclass. I'm Harriet Hendry, one of the brand ambassadors at Pernod Ricard UK, and today I'm going to be taking you through your Monkey 47 and Tonic. For this cocktail, you're going to need a highball glass and you're going to need a jigger, something to measure with. A standard UK shot glass will also work, they're 25 millilitres. Really easy drink today. We're going to be filling our highball glass up with ice all the way to the top. Keep going all the way to the top. And then we're going to be going in with 50 millilitres of Monkey 47 dry gin. Now this is our Schwarzwald dry gin from the Black Forest in Germany. The name aptly comes from the monkey on the front of the bottle, and the 47 comes from the number of botanicals used to make this gin, a third of which come from the Black Forest themselves. So 50 millilitres of Monkey 47. And we're going to top this up with Fever Tree Mediterranean Tonic, one of my favourites. Pour slowly and at the side, like so. We're going to garnish this with a dehydrated lemon, and we're going to give a spritz with our atomizer. For this one, you'll be looking to use the pine and spruce, so you can be transported to the smells and scents of the Black Forest in Germany. Cheers!